shall choke a chain to restrain me. You try to muzzle while I remain untamed. No shame in my game, speaking but not spoken to. Tweaking off a toke or two. Fucking looking like McAdoo.
That dope's teasing me, teasing. I'm teasing my nose. This dope's teasing me, pleasing. And I'm peacefully froze. All wild, but I'm hanging. High bells ringing. If you slanging, this mobile dope dog knows. Bow, wow, wow, who goes the yippee-yay-yo track? And I'm back storytelling about the payroll stack that I'm out to get loud about, because I'm out for anything whatsoever to do until pursue. Fuck it, I bark about you punk high rollers, cold duckies. Yeah, I'm spilling the beans on the kingpins and drug lords. Just say no, my ass, this is a drug war. Funk nigga, need your ass, what do I need? How can you help me, fool? Just give me something I can say. You Sims try to sell me. Yeah, my mission is to point you out. He got it, there we go, him. Toss his punk ass in the pen. His defense position is irrelevant. And all I want is the fucking evidence, so I can come up and bust a hot in the tweet. Cause I'm a meek mutt inherent in the dope and you bust below. So what you got to say for yourself now? You caught a case and got that look on your face. More power to the who sky hours you finna spend. Days, weeks, months, years, when will it ever end? Who the hell ever said the crime don't pay? All I did was play a part in the raid, and I'm paid in full. Save the bullshit for Bandini. Can't wait to watch your ass go up his smoke like I dream of Genie. I jack for his jail, yeah, we take bribes, Jack. Shit, let's make a deal. Your nuts and bolts were rusted, now you busted. Your mama's so disgusted with you and the slapstick stupid ass shit you have a tendency to do, cause you's a goddamn fool, nigga. I see myself in your shoes sometimes, but today I do the dope and you do the time.
What you finna do with that there pooper scooper stupid? This ain't poop, this is dog shit. And a little bit of it will knock a hole from Junkie to his knees. Nigga, please. Nigga, rough. Now dig, fuck the cat, cause we smooth. We do the dog like that.
Colder than a woman, I chill tonight. It's cold and I don't knows the trail done gone cold.
Now how's about a fat Philly full of that World War II and that all-you-can-eat barbecue rough. You make me beg, baby, got me moaning, foaming at the mouth, peeing round your house and you bark like you don't know it. Thought I heard your whistle, and I don't wanna blow it. My red love shows and my fleas start ticking. Don't like to do my own licking. This ain't puppy love, I knew that when I wagged you down, cause I went and bought a collar with my last dollar. Roll over, I want a titty, or two, or three, it doesn't matter to me. You look good, bitch, making my neck itch. The smell of your booty is all that in the milk bowl, straight off the gravy train, so what's your name? They call me 68, cause I'm straight, I wanna do you. Scooby-Dooby-Dooby-Dooby-Dooby, don't be dogging me out, you be dogging me out.
teasing my nose. This dope's easily